Downloading account statements from Wells Fargo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your statements easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the shark.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account statements. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your account options, then select the account for which you want to download statements. Step 3. Access statements and documents. Look for section labeled Statements and Documents or Account Statements. Click on this option to see a list of available statements. Step 4. Select the statement period. Choose the specific statement period you wish to download. You may have options for monthly, quarterly, or yearly statements depending on your account type. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the desired statement, look for a download option, usually in PDF format. Click on it to download the statement to your device. By following these steps, you can easily access and download your account statements from Wells Fargo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wells Fargo customer service for assistance.